What's going on, guys? Grumpy HD here. We've never really brought out a video like this, so I decided, why not? Let's do a tutorial, guys. I would have my camera on, but for some reason it's not. For when I try to do it on the Elgato program, it looks like shit. So we're just gonna go without the camera. I tried to do a recording on Streamlabs also, and it wasn't saving my recording. So we'll be doing this on here just like this. It sucks that you can't see my face. I'm sure there's other ways around it, but let's go ahead and get into this, guys. Today we're pretty much just going to be talking about the Elgato Stream Deck. And pretty much how to set it up, guys. So I'm pretty much going to go through the whole process, how to set it up and get it working properly, and kind of go over some of the stuff you can do. And it's really neat, guys. For me streaming, it's perfect, guys. I mean, there's like no hassle. You hit 2 clicks and you're ready to stream. Compared to having to move your mouse everywhere and all that nonsense. Anyways, let's get into it. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Google Chrome here. And we're going to go to the Elgato site. Alright, so the first one right here. And we're going to go ahead and go to downloads, guys, and select our product. So the one that I'm going to be using is the regular Stream Deck. It has 15 buttons, guys, and I'm on Windows. If you're on Mac, choose Mac. Otherwise, nothing pretty much changes. So you can click any of these and it's going to be the same thing. Alright, the only thing that changes is if you're on Mac, it'll have that. So pick whatever device, whatever deck you have. So for me, it would be the Stream Deck and Windows. And we'll go ahead and click this download button. And once it downloads in the corner, or wherever it downloads from, you want to go ahead and open up the setup wizard and go through that whole process. And then once you're done with that, we'll go ahead and open it up, and you guys can kind of see all my buttons that I made today. Yeah, so let me just kind of go over what I built so far, and it's like perfect for what I'm doing for live streaming. So right here we have a soundboard. This is just a link to the sounds that I'm getting it off of, and we got the welcome and booing so far. I kind of wanted to get into live streaming, so I kind of cut it a little short on making the board, but we got it, right? And we got this right here. Now that I'm not in the Streamlabs program, it doesn't matter. So it's not going to do anything. But this just mutes and unmutes my mic, the mic that I'm talking on right now. This Streamlabs right here, it just opens up my Streamlabs program. So I just go, once I get on, click it, I'm right on Streamlabs. You already know what this is. This is just the go live button for Streamlabs. Once I click it, I'm live right away. These are my scenes, guys. I wish I could go through them, but I can't. But this is just the scenes that I go through on Streamlabs OBS. It's real easier. It's a lot easier. Accounts. So my Twitch account, Streamlabs, YouTube, it just takes me straight to my accounts. But for you guys, once you have it loaded up, you want to go ahead and I already made another profile. But you're going to go here and then you're going to click new profile. And it's usually going to pop up as profile 1, which is what I did. But for me, it's going to be profile 2. So you go ahead and make your profile 2. And you want to go ahead and hit edit profiles. And you should already be on the right profile. And you go to your accounts and you want to go ahead and link all your stuff, right? all your Streamlabs, Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube. Once you go ahead and link all of that, you can close out of this and then go and set up your board. Now, this welcome button right here, if you go ahead and press it on the app itself or your Stream Deck, it'll take you and kind of help you understand it a little more. But yeah, after that is pretty much just adding the stuff here on the right side. So you guys can see Game Capture, OBS Studio. So these are the apps that you're using to record on. So obviously if I'm not using Game Capture, I don't want to go ahead and put this stuff in. Alright. So I'm using Streamlabs OBS, so I'll use all this stuff. So this is where I got the source, my scene, stream, all this stuff, the audio. This is where I got everything from. And there's a few little things that are pretty cool. I want to get this portion out of the way because it's really cool. This voice mod, it lets you affect your voice on stream, so it can change your voice and everything like that. So you got all this stuff here, activate voice changer. You're gonna have to go ahead and download it, but once you have it downloaded, you can change your voice. Other than that, a few other cool things they have on here is the soundboard right here, guys. This option is crazy cool. So this is where I got my stuff at in profile 1, right? So you just drag a play audio right here, right? And you can name it, and this is where the file goes. Usually, if you don't have a program to take it from, just kind of look up free sounds, MP3 sounds. That's going to be your file type, and just drag it over and just place it in these squares that you want. And then after you have it, you pretty much can just drag it over, name the title. You guys can choose, I don't know why it's showing up over here. You guys can choose an icon from your icon library. So that's where I got like this check mark, this pause button. Just little stuff to kind of make your deck colorful. Alright, and then once you have your said MP3 sound, you can pretty much, it'll load up on your deck and you can click it and it should play. Alright, and for some reason the audio is not working. What's going on, man? I'm just really trying to show you guys it does work. It was working earlier. I probably gotta change some stuff. It's okay, guys. It's alright. Alright, but then there's some other little things like your Stream Deck. This is where you get your folders. So when you create a folder, like this is a folder for accounts. So you're going to get a list of buttons. It's going to be 14 because you have your back space here. And you can create the folder to whatever you want. So my accounts, and I can place all the accounts in this one. But this is your main button. Alright, so this is a folder too. So that comes it's really handy for that. But other than that, guys, one more thing. You got the website for systems. This is where, like I said, for my accounts, you can put like websites in and it'll just automatically load the website, so you don't have to go on Google and just type it in. So that's how I got all that. The only other thing that I thought was cool was this Twitter option. You can send out a tweet to let people know, like when you're going live. So that's really cool. You know, you put your account in and you can name it, right? And you put the text. And if you got like a picture or something you want to put on it, and it'll send out the tweet. And you can also change your name on Twitter by using this change name option over here. But other than that, guys, I don't have anything else. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. This will be posted on YouTube. If you have any more videos you would like me to do or something you're stuck on, let me know. And I'm going to try to make this a little better because I know this is it wasn't as good as it could have been. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good day and peace.